there are a lot of like courses on data analysts. So how somebody wanted to become a data analyst, so how they can choose that this course would be the best course for me to learn the skills for data analyst?
Okay, good question. Now, this question is good because this depends on the person and at what stage they're asking this question. So if that person is someone who is similar to me and at my stage, for them, reading good books in statistics is the only way out. And let's say for someone who is fresh out of college, knows no statistics, knows no programming, for them, any YouTube lecture on Python, I mean, take up any free Python lecture series, read, go through those 10 Python videos and 10 R videos and start downloading data set from different sources. You can use Kaggle, you can go to any public database like your RBI or your World Bank data and analyze the data on your own through Python and R. And then you'll automatically understand what is interesting you in that. I mean, what kind of analysis you want to do. And the moment you start doing that, topics will automatically emerge that you want to do time series analysis, or you want to do classification, or you want to move towards neural networks. But the first thing here is for someone fresh out of college, you need to read about Python and R and get your hands dirty with data. And automatically the statistics needed will push you towards the concepts. And let's say you start getting interested in the statistics concept, let's say p-value or what is time series, then Google it up. And do not join a lot of courses in the beginning. In the beginning, try to use YouTube, try to use basic Google search, Wikipedia and all. And use your Python and R knowledge to test that concept. And then automatically what will happen, you will discover that where your strength lies in, because there are people who are good in making dashboards. I mean, they are good at visualization, that if I change this number, how should my dashboard look? How should the coding be done on that? So someone who is like from a coding background, who wants to make websites or web applications or Android applications, they would be of an entirely different breed. They would not think about statistics. They will think about how do I make it look good? How do I write better code? But for someone who is somewhere in between statistics and between coding, for them, it will be optimizing the model. So for them, it will be like, how do I write good programs which are run very fast, which use very efficient memory. So the thing is, there is no one path. You have to find your own path. But a good start here would be to first learn Python and R, and do not try to buy a course or buy a book. Just take out any free resource, be it on YouTube or a blog or a website, and that will become your foundation, that what I need to do next. And plus, yes, these days, even Coursera has a lot of free courses in which you can just do that course. And there's a thing called audit feature in which you just do that course and do not take the assignments. Even that is sufficient. You do not have to solve the assignments to know the knowledge. You just have to understand the concept to apply them.